What is autism? You've probably heard the word, but what does it really mean? Autism, or Autism Spectrum Disorder, is a neurodevelopmental condition. That means it affects how a person thinks, communicates, and experiences the world. But here's the key: autism is a spectrum. Every autistic person is unique, no two experiences are exactly the same. Some people may have challenges with social interaction, speech, or repetitive behaviors. Others might have strong focus, incredible memory, or special interests. It's not about being better or worse, just different ways of being. Autism isn't something to fix, it's something to understand. With support, acceptance, and inclusion, autistic people can thrive at school, work, and in life. So the next time you meet someone with autism, remember, you are meeting a person with their own unique perspective. And that's something to celebrate.